Young fella, what's happening? Got a crush on Pussy B, night, got a crush on Pussy B. Welcome to the Motsetserepa cancellation. What is your cancellation? Yes, what did you come here for?
My boyfriend, he doesn't want me anymore.
Say what?
He doesn't want me anymore.
No. Now, can we talk about a kiss? Can we talk about how you kiss the guy and everything? Because you gotta give it at 1000% when you kiss the guy.
Okay.
Yes.
I put my mouth.
What?
Out.
That's not what we do.
Okay.
When you kiss the guy, you must come like a 1000%. You put it, you put the tongue inside. You feel me? Yes.
How?
What?
How?
What? Yeah?
How?
Like when you approach the guy, you what? Yeah? What's the question again?
How do
when
I?
you
How
kiss
do
the guy, you. Because myself personally, that's what I like. My boo-boo knows that's what I like. You put the tongue inside. That's how we do. That's like if you put the tongue inside, the guy won't leave you. That's a 1000% sure thing. You know what it is?
Okay.
Yeah, even if the guy says,
how?
Take you tape it. Yeah. What? How
does it go into?
Like when the guy said, did he tell you he wants to leave you or something?
No, it's just that he don't want to see me no more.
Well, make sure you guys meet one time. Like how Nalena that you cry, even if it's not painful, you pretend to be crying.
Okay.
If also like you go take the onion on the kitchen, then you cry on your eyes while you like that's her.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then you cry inside the guy. Be in front of the guy, not inside the guy. In front of the guy, he won't leave you. Trust me. Yes.
And how will I know that he's back?
When you cry. When you cry. Because we thugs, man. We thugs. You just cry in front of a thug. The thug won't leave you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you for coming to the cancellation and everything. We appreciate it. Don't forget to leave.
What?
What?
The council what?
The Motsetserepa TSHASA cancellation office. I could have just cancelled you.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't forget to leave 1,500.
I only have 2 pool.
2 pula. No. 1.2. Thank you very much for coming out. Yes.